In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tables and column widths in Confluence. Start by opening your Confluence workspace in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen and click Create to start a new page. When the options appear, choose Page to open a fresh blank document. Give your page a clear descriptive title so it's easy to find later. A concise title also helps teammates quickly understand what the page is about. Now click into the main body of the page, type a /. This slash opens Confluence's insert menu, which is the fastest way to add structured elements. Begin typing table, then select the table option that appears. Confluence will drop in a starter table for you. From here, start entering your content. Use tab to move to the next cell and shift plus tab to go back. If you need multiple lines inside one cell, press enter to add a new line. Keep your header cells short and clear. Simple labels make the table easier to scan. To adjust column widths, hover your cursor over the vertical line between two columns. When the resize cursor appears, click and drag left or right to widen or narrow that column. As you drag, watch the guidelines so you can set a precise width. Release the mouse to apply the change. If you go too far, press undo to quickly revert and try again. Repeat this for any columns that need adjustment. A helpful approach is to give more space to columns with long text and keep number or status columns narrower. Aim for consistency across the table so rows line up neatly and the content feels balanced. If your table has many columns, focus on widening the ones that truly need room and keep the rest compact to preserve readability. While you drag, Confluence will reflow the content. Wrapped text is normal and can make dense information easier to read. If grabbing the column divider feels tricky, move your cursor slowly near the top of the table until the left-right arrow appears. On smaller screens, briefly zooming in can make the handles easier to grab. Remember, you can always fine-tune widths after you've filled in more data. Sometimes the best size becomes clear once the content is in place. That's the full workflow. Go to Confluence, create a new page, add a title, use the / to insert a table, enter your content, and drag the column edges to get the exact widths you want. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, readable table in minutes.